Print a NumPy array without scientific notation and with given precision. How do I print formatted NumPy arrays in a way similar to this? If I want to print the number py.array of floats, it prints several decimals, often in scientific format, which is rather hard to read even for low-dimensional arrays. However, number py.array apparently has to be printed as a string, i.e., with %s. Is there a solution for this?
Use numpy.set_printOptions to set the precision of the output. And suppresses the use of scientific notation for small numbers. To apply print options locally, using NumPy 1.15.0 or later, you could use the numpy.printOptions context manager. For example, inside the with suite precision equals 3 and suppress equals true are set. But outside the with suite, the print options are back to default settings. If you are using an earlier version of NumPy, you can create the context manager yourself. For example, to prevent zeros from being stripped from the end of floats, np.set_printOptions now has a formatter parameter which allows you to specify a format function for each type, which prints instead of
Anedba gave a really complete answer. They got a +1 from me too, but here is a low-tech alternative. As a function, using the format syntax for formatting. Usage. The index of the array is accessible in the format string.
Use np.array_str to apply formatting to only a single print statement. It gives a subset of np.set_printOptions as functionality. For example,
The gem that makes it all too easy to obtain the result as a string in today's NumPy versions is hidden in Dennis' answer. np.array2string.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.